Hey friends, if you wish to speed up your Asus laptop or computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult. Search for performance in the Windows search bar and click on adjust appearance and performance of Windows. Select this option for adjust for best performance, and I will still check this one box, and then I'll click on apply and then on OK. Okay, so this speeds you up your system a little more because it becomes performance based, though the appearance will be compromised a bit. After that, search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Task Manager. Check if any process is causing high CPU, memory, or disk usage. If it is, then you can do away with that process, or a better thing is to go to the Startup Apps column, arrange it by status such that the ones which are enabled are on the top. After this, you can right click on the unnecessary processes and disable them, and right click on the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your computer. So this will also be very helpful. Another one is to delete bloatware. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab, select installed apps, arrange it by date installed, and then check the apps which are unnecessary. For example, this one I don't need it, so I will uninstall it. And then I can check for other ones. I don't want this one, so I will uninstall it. Similarly, just check for all the applications that can be uninstalled, because unnecessary bloatware will compromise with the speed of your system. After this, you can check the drives. Okay, check for unnecessary files here. Okay, I will right click on this one and then I will select delete. It will free up a lot of space. Okay, see, it really freed up a lot of space. So that's how I can fix my computer speed, especially for Asus computers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.